right, well, good morning. We're still in Texas. We left Carlsbad and we made it to Fort Stockton. So we stayed at an RV park here last night. It was Fort Stockton RV Park. It's actually really nice. We got in here kind of late, maybe just before 8 o'clock. We had the Good Sam's membership, so we were able to get this place for like 30 bucks or something. So that wasn't too bad at all. Plus we needed to get water. We needed to dump, so that was really nice. We were able to pull the slides out so that we can get to our clothes, because we learned that we need to make sure that we have our clothes out before we put the slides in, or put some clothes in a different spot so that when we are traveling, we can get that stuff. But anyways, so I'm going to dump the trash this morning, or the recycle anyways. And yeah, it's really nice here though. So if you look around, you can kind of see everything. This is the house here. That's us clear over there. And then everybody else, it's all full sites, all hookups. So it's pretty nice. So today what the plan is we're going to try to get as far as we can. We should get to San Antonio, but we'll just kind of have to wait and see. I think we're about 240 miles from there, but we got a full tank of gas. We just have to make sure that we dump, we add some water, and we'll get going. And then we need to get into Houston because Wednesday's the big day. So we're gonna go find a new place to stay, and we're gonna be there for a little while. We're trying to see about a place to either be there for the rest of the month or for 3 weeks, whatever's cheaper. If we can find a place that we can be there for a month that's a little bit cheaper, we'll do that. But anyways, everything's going pretty good. Like I said, Fort Stockton RV Park, and here it is. Elijah and I are just hanging out in the back. We just finished playing some Crazy Eights, and I'm the champion.
No, me!
You won?
Yes, I did.
He won one, then I won one, and then ended up getting 3-3, and then we had the tiebreaker, and he won, huh? So we've been driving all day from Fort. Yes, we started in Texas, and we're gonna finish in Texas. So we started in Fort Stockton at the RV place, and now we're just coming up to San Antonio. We should be there in about 37 minutes. We are gonna sleep at the Walmart tonight, but when we get there in about 30 minutes, we are going to go to the Riverwalk. So we're gonna hitch the car, and we're gonna go down to the Riverwalk. Maybe we'll have some chips and salsa, maybe some barbecue, I don't know. What do you want to do at the Riverwalk? You want to go on one of the water taxis?
What's a water taxi?
A water taxi is one of the boats that take you through the whole Riverwalk area, and you can see all the shops and everything. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go on one of the water taxis. And then we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night. So we are making our way. We are here basically, huh? Yep. Okay. All right, we made it to San Antonio. We made it to San Antonio and we parked our car here at this Walmart. It looks kind of sketchy. But the hard part was that when I called the lady to park here, she says, yeah, just park in the back since they're doing a bunch of construction. What the construction is they're doing the blacktop. They're re-tarring it or whatever, re-blacktopping, whatever it's called. So when we looked in the back area where she asked me, or where she said I could park, it was a bunch of trash cans and like, there's really nowhere to park. And I'm not gonna park my coach in the back of a Walmart by some trash cans. So we ended up finding a place at the front of the store. There was 2 parking spaces that we were able to park along there. So we did that. There was a bunch of truckers kind of in that area. Well, not a bunch, about 3 of them. And then I even called a Costco because that's the side where they want you to park on. But because Costco, they're going to be doing the same thing on the blacktop thing. As normally we don't, but I would have let you tonight, but we're going to be able to do this. So I was like, whatever. All the kids are in the back. Say hi, kitties.
All the kids.
Hi, kitties. Hi. And all my wife is right over there making fun of me. What's funny?
Funny. All our kids, like we have 2 kids.
Well, you say several. I have several kids. People say you got 7. No, that's 2 or more.
Several does not mean 7.
Whatever.
Several means over 2.
Well, then you could say, you know, several kids, whatever.
2 is a few.
Anyway, so my son has my glasses. It's very bright. We're gonna hit the Shell gas station, and we'll be on our way to the Riverwalk.
Woo!
We're almost there?
Yep.
No,
in about 30 minutes. So the destination is on your right. It's a Shell gas station in less than a mile. But tomorrow we'll get into Houston, and Jen was able to score us a place, and I think it's going to be right on like a man-made lake or a man-made river or something.
This one's a real lake.
Oh, this is a real lake. So we're going to be on there. I think we're going to be there through December 1st, yeah? Is that what it is? Yeah, through December 1st. We're going big time, baby. Oh, yeah. For our first Thanksgiving in Texas. And you know, it's right around my birthday, too. So they say they do everything big in Texas. I wonder if they do birthdays big in Texas.
So, this is how I would make the video. We wanted to stop by the Riverwalk, possibly the Alamo, but of course, everywhere we show up is rush hour. We show up to the only Walmart that seems like it's an okay area to park our car or our RV. Come to find out, the whole entire side that's designated for RV parking is closed off for new blacktopping. So we parked where we could park. Now we're gonna head down to the Riverwalk during rush hour, and then the guys in the Walmart parking lot told us that their friend is in the military and said they're watching the area down there for some type of who knows what going on. So here we go. It's always an adventure.
Stay tuned.
We're in the red ruby race car.
Elijah, tell us that cool story again about how Oliver has braces on so that Olive can work very hard pulling Oliver, and that it's going to be very many years before Oliver can get his braces off.
What is it? What did you say about Oliver and braces?
Nothing.
Such a cute little story, Elijah.
I want to hear it. We're here at the Riverwalk, and we're going to go check it out. We're going to go have something to eat, and we're also going to go check out the Alamo. We're going to go find out what's in the basement. we just went on the Riverwalk here in San Antonio. We went on the boat ride. It's about 35 minutes long, and it's $12 a person. Children 5 and under are free. But man, it was really cool. You got to go around and see a lot of the history about San Antonio, about a lot of facts about the 1965 World Fair, or maybe it was the 69 World Fair. But yeah, it was really cool. Definitely check it out. So now we're gonna go try to find something to eat. We just had our wonderful dinner at a Mexican restaurant. It was really good. I had a chicken burrito. Grace and the
came over to our table and said chicken dance.
He said, "You want a chicken dance?" Anyway, so now we're gonna walk over to the Alamo. It's not open, but we can still go check it out. Yep, we made it to the Alamo, and now that our night is complete, we're gonna go back and we're gonna go pick up Oliver.